Now it is time for you guys to respond. Error location, a question related to errors. I'll read out the first sentence. In times of grave and unprecedented crisis, when the nation is fighting a disaster of unprecedented magnitude, the executive functioning of the government needs discretion to formulate policy in larger interest. A very lengthy sentence, not that easy, but there's one particular word which is not correct. If you know, it goes with nouns. Now, where is the error? Crisis is not correct. It should be crisis. What is the difference between these two? Crisis, crisis, SIS, SES. SIS is a singular form, singular, and crisis, plural. Nouns of Latin and Greek origin, they have a different, they don't take S or ES usually. What other nouns take S or ES, but these nouns of Latin and Greek origin, they don't take S or ES. And typical examples, phenomenon, phenomena, memorandum, memoranda, and criterion, criteria, crisis, crisis. Here it talks about a particular crisis, singular. Then we cannot use SES, it should be SIS. Sentence number two. The progress is in expected lines given the 8-month experience of implementing the PMGKAY during the first wave of COVID 19 in 2020. If you know a particular phrase, you can spot the error, otherwise, rather difficult. Now, where is the error? The progress is not in on expected lines. You can say on or along. Two prepositions can be used with expected lines. The progress is on expected lines. The progress is along expected lines. You cannot say in expected lines. That is not correct. Distraught attendants of the critically ill patients, many on oxygen support, pleaded with the police to enable them to access better Medicare in Hyderabad based hospitals, but of vain. Today I have brought lengthy sentences. You got to read carefully. Distraught attendants of the critically ill patients. Distraught means disturbed, without any hope. Many on oxygen support pleaded with the police to enable them to access better Medicare in Hyderabad based hospitals, but of vain is not correct. It should be but in vain. In vain means of no use, not fruitful, wasted efforts in vain. They have tried in vain means no use at all. Of is not correct. It should be in vain, no use. Let us go to the fourth one. Though on many occasions usage of steroids is invariably necessary, but the dosage and duration needs to be reconsidered, especially for diabetic patients. Here there are two things, the dosage and duration need to be reconsidered, not needs. So this is related to subject verb agreement. Some of the expatriate means a person leaves a particular country, goes to some other country, settles over there. For those people or that person, we use the word expatriate, singular, expatriates, plural. Some of the expatriates are at their wits' end when their parents do not pay heed to their suggestions and step out for unessential work. Some of the expatriates are at their wits' end when their parents do not pay heed, they do not listen to their suggestions and step out for unessential work. Now, where is the error? There is a phrase actually. At their wits' end means what? At one's wits' end means confused, worried, and a lot of anxiety you experience. Then you use the word, the idiomatic expression, at my own wits' end. But there's an error over here. Here it should be after wits, apostrophe, not before S, it should be after S. Wits end. Apostrophe should be after S, not before. Before is not correct, after is correct. Now, misspelled or inappropriate words. Even as COVID second wave is rampaging across a fear stricken population, The Roads and Buildings Department has thought it fit to complete the road widening work at Gandipet by chopping giant decades old trees. This has been given in many exams. If you are not alert, you don't read meticulously, you take things for granted, you cannot spot the error. Where is the error? Of these four words, one particular word either inappropriate or misspelled. This word is not correct. What is a usually people think giant. The way you pronounce also you think that is a spelling. But the correct spelling Giant, not GAI. Giant is the correct spelling. It is alleged that the body, which was packed according to COVID protocol by the hospital, was opened and washed for the rites at the mosque. Alleged, nothing wrong. Protocol, no problem. Washed, no problem. Rites, in this context, funeral rites. What is the correct spelling of the word rites in this context? RITES, not this one, not appropriate. RITES, that is the right word. Sentence number three. While we have kept a semblance means a resemblance to something or someone, a semblance of uninterrupted education, the fact is that privileged are getting ahead, not necessarily because they are smarter, but because of the exclusive rights they enjoy. Privileged, that's an important word. Usually people get confused. Here, E is not correct. It should be privileged. Privilege. Privilege. And the past form leged. Privileged. Means what? Exclusive rights. Sentence number four. She can be remembered that minority appeasement vote bank politics can boomerang and give rise to a majoritarian backlash. Appeasement, appease someone to please someone. Boomerang, you do something expecting a positive result, you get a negative result. Boomerang, backlash, and negative reaction from a large group of people. Where is the error? It is not remembered. She can be reminded. She should be reminded. She can be reminded, not remembered. That is not appropriate. What is the appropriate word? Reminded. The last question based on not word swap, it should be misspelled. These two also. Please, misspelled. The last one. Before illegal immigrants identified by the UK authorities are allowed to return, government officials here will conduct a probe to establish if the person is indeed an Indian citizen or not. Two words are very confusing. Immigrant, emigrant. In this context, we cannot use the word emigrant. Emigrant, a person goes out of a country. But here he talks about a person who comes into the country. Based on that, what is the right word? Immigrants. 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 Immigrants is not correct. It should be immigrants. Now, para jumble. Weeks after a similar message cannot be the first one. Has written cannot be the first one. The letter was posted, the definite article cannot be the first one. A group of serving French soldiers, perhaps that cannot be the first sentence. A group of serving soldiers, group, collective noun singular, and it takes a singular verb, has written. Based on that, D, a group of serving French soldiers has written an open letter warning President Emmanuel Macron that the survival of France is at stake after his concessions to Islamism. So here has written that the survival of France is at stake after his concessions to Islamism. Weeks after, a similar message from elements in the military rocked the political elite. Similar message. Then first one should be E or the main idea, DBE. Then weeks after, a similar message from elements in the military rocked the political elite. And what is the last one? The letter was posted on the website. So the letter, we are talking about a particular letter. So what is the correct order? D, B, EAC, a group of serving French soldiers group has written an open letter warning President Emmanuel Macron that the survival of France is at stake after his concessions to Islamism, weeks after a similar message from elements in the military rocked the political elite. The letter was open letter. The letter reference has been made, posted on the website of whatever the magazine, name of the magazine. Now match the words and the meanings from the words from the editorial. Skirmish, part of speech, noun, and means what? In this context, preliminary or initial verbal conflict. C is the answer. Waiver means what? Not to consider. It goes with interest, amount, rights, privileges. So, waiver is a noun, waive is a verb form. Not to consider, E. So, here verbal conflict over, not to consider, over, impede, impediment, noun form, impede, verb, block. A is the answer. Chasm, it is noun, and difference of opinion, difference of something. Answer is G. Vowed is a verb, it's a regular verb. To make a solemn promise, solemn promise. B is the answer. Proclaim, to state publicly or officially, a regular verb, stated publicly or officially. H is the answer. Rebuffed, rebuffed, it's also a verb. It could be a noun as well. I don't accept the rebuff, then it's a noun. Means what? Ungracious, abrupt or ungracious rejection. J is the answer. Salvo, part of speech, noun, the first in a series of acts. First in a series. I is the answer. Stance means stand, a particular stand, opinion about something. F is the answer. Part of speech, noun. Hostile attitude, hostile behavior means adjective, antagonistic. All important words. That's all about this editorial. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. And sorry for the interruptions. Thank you.